Excuse me?
I'd like you to meet your new client, Hannah Chan.
Anthony, I promise you that I'll keep you in my heart forever. If Anthony didn't die in that accident, we would have been married.
1 year ago, I almost lost James. He had a deadly viral infection in his heart.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. I'm drawn to her.
Huwag natin pabayaan si Hannah. Alagaan natin siya.
Finishing na lang to. Malapit na ito matapos.
Pare, kaya ganun si Hannah. Lagi nga siya nakangiti. Pero sa totoo lang, ang ilap-ilap niya. Ang hirap niya paamuhin.
Pare, seryoso ka ba kay Hannah? Kasi kung itutulad mo lang siya sa ibang mga naging babae mo, pare, wag mo na ituloy ang panliligaw mo. Ibahin mo ang trato kay Hannah. She's special. At hindi mo alam kung ano mga pinagdaanan niya.
Teka pare Taig mo pa ang tatay ni Hannah mo pag-interrogate sa akin.
Concerned lang ako sa tao. Bisita namin siya ni Sofia. Kliyente pa natin.
Pare, huwag ka mag-alala. Wala akong balak lokohin si Hannah. Tama ka. She's a special girl. Hindi ko lang alam kung gano'n ako katsaga. Mukhang pahihirapan niya pa ako eh.
So, what do you think of Carlo? Does he have a chance with you?
I promised Anthony that he'll be the first and last person I love. I'm not planning to find someone else and fall in love again.
But when it comes to love, you don't make plans. You meet the right person. It just happens, naturally.
I made Anthony a promise, and I'm sure he expects me to honor that promise. If Anthony didn't die in an accident that day, we would have been married. He promised me a surprise that day, and I found this among his belongings. And the day he died is also our second anniversary.
Pare, actually, may problema ako eh.
Pare, kung tatapat ka, sorry pero hindi tayo talo.
Parang seryoso ko.
Hulaan ko yung problema mo. Tungkol na naman yan sa babae sa panaginip mo, no? Pare, huwag mo nang pinagpapapansin yung babae sa panaginip mo. Kailan ba nagsimula yan?
Last year?
Last year, nung maoperahan ka.
Oh, bakit?
Wala. Oh, anong problema?
Kasi hindi ko na siya napapanaginipan.
Pare, problema ba yan? Eh, problem solved nga yan eh. At least wala nang panira sa relasyon nyo ni Sofia. Bakit kaya kuminto yung babae sa panaginip mo?
Kasi alam ko na kung sino siya.
Ano?
Wala.
1 year ago, I almost lost James too. He had a deadly viral infection in his heart. If he didn't have that transplant, he probably would have died too. And I don't know how could have lived through that.
James was lucky to have that heart. Anthony was a heart donor too.
He was?
Yeah. I didn't realize it at the time, but now it made me feel really good to know that someone out there is alive.
Hello? Doc Maya? Hi, hon.
Oh, hi, honey. Kamusta? Ba't ka nandito?
Asan si Carlo?
Nasa kabilang project.
Marami ka na bang nagawa? I mean, patapos na ba tong project?
Medyo. Medyo. Bakit?
Tumawag kasi si Maya, yung auntie ni Hannah. She wants you to personally update her
Okay, kailan?
next week.
Next week. Pupunta siya dito sa Manila next week.
Hindi. Actually, ikaw ang pupunta ng Malaysia.
The towels are so beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. Very beautiful. Just like you. I've always wanted to tell you this. I always dream about you. And I don't know why every time I'm with you, my heart beats faster and faster. I know I shouldn't be with you, but fate always brings us together. Who are you, Hannah? Who are you in my life?
Did you say something? Sorry, I was just listening to this.
Nothing. No.
Okay, let's go.
Wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again.
And this is the total.
Oh. Is this all it costs?
Yes, Doc.
Why so cheap?
Because you're Sophia's friend.
Will you make money?
We will make friends.
Oh, you're such a charming man, James.
Thanks.
Auntie, James, dinner's ready. Come on, let's eat.
Okay.
Come on, James. Let's have dinner.
All right.
Come on.
After you.
Thank you.
My auntie thinks you're funny.
Well, she's the only one who thinks so.
Oh my God, he's such a charming man. Sophie is so lucky to have you.
Thank you.
Hannah, will you take him around tomorrow?
Oh, it's okay. I've already been around.
But she can take you around one more time.
No, I think...
No, I insist. Hannah will take you around as my guest. I also want to earn a friend.
All right.
Some more.
Okay. Who are you, Hannah? Who are you in my life?
Why are you laughing at me? Anthony, did you see our guest? James Manala. You saw him? He just reminds me so much of you. Anthony, I promise you that I'll keep you in my heart forever. And I will continue to honor that promise.
Hey, Sophia, may naiwan ako dyan sa condo na envelope. Pwede mo ba bigay kay Carlo? Okay, thanks. Nagbigay na ako ng update sa auntie ni Hannah at okay naman siya sa changes. Hey, huwag ka na mag-alala sa akin. Wala akong chest pains, wala akong palpitations. Okay lang ako. Oh wait, andyan na yata yung room service. O ayan para ma-prove ko sa'yo na kumakain ako ng tamang oras. Sige. Alright, I'll be home soon. Okay, bye-bye. Come in!
Good morning, Mr. James Manala. Your itinerary for...
Wait!